Thank you for calling Oreo. My name is Siddharth. How may I help you today?
Hello? Who is this?
My name is Siddharth from Oreo Hotel. How may I help you today?
The sloppy end of it, you big piece of shit. I'm going to kill you if I find you. If I find you, I'm going to kill you.
Sorry?
Ah! You understand me? I'm going to come and get your ass. Listen here, you motherfucking hillbilly. I'll fucking come over with a fucking meat tenderizer and I'll fucking tenderize your fucking skull.
Sir, it's a professional helpline. So I'm requesting you to maintain the profanity. Do not use the profanity and maintain the decorum.
I pray for
Tell me how
people
may
like
I
you to
help you
commit
today?
suicide and save the world some trouble. Why don't you go fuck yourself and suck the slop into my fuck stick? You need a good dick up your ass.
How may I help you today, sir?
Do me a favor. Get a psychiatrist and the sloppy end of it, you big... Suck my dick, you asshole.
So it's my
fucking retarded asshole. I have more respect for the animals in the cages than I do you piece of garbage.
Sorry?
Why don't you suck the sloppy into my fuck stick, you retard? You call me again, I'll call the police and have them do a trace on my number on the star 69, and you'll be in trouble. Are you calling from the cell phone? You miserable motherfucker. I'm gonna kill you. If I find you...
Sir, are you facing any sort of problem regarding hotel? Tell me, how may I help you today?
Yes, I am. You called me, buddy. I didn't call you. Oh, boy. Bleed to death, you motherfucker. I'll make sure that you wish that you were never even born, you little hillbilly bastard. You better quit acting like a fucking 2-year-old. Fucking retarded asshole. I mean, I will bust a cap in your ass, bitch. You need to be taken and hung by the tree like they did in the slave days and just whipped. Do you understand me? Get the dick out of your mouth and let's talk.
Hello. Hello?